Justin Vacula here with Virgin Voyages on the Scarlet Lady in a premium room high up on the ship. Here in the closet space, have some baggage here. Moving around to the main room, have a TV attached by the bed area. Over here towards the desk, we see a space for an iPad, which Mandi has outside the room, some water included, mirror. View outside with a hammock in the balcony and a large bed. We'll zoom in on these areas in a bit. Moving into the bathroom, we have makeup removal towels, some tissues, toilet down here, some extra items, fab, little bag for waste, and toilet paper. Zooming out, some towels here above the toilet and the large mirror across. Now to the shower. Body wash, hair conditioner attached to the wall. Nozzles. And from the ceiling, an area coming down, some water can come out through here as well. Walk into the main room. Bed, quite large. Extra towel over here. Nice area, a small desk, and it looks like a phone holder. That's an octopus with some constellations. Extra chair over here. Moving into the desk, you see the schedule of events and information. Your voyage at a glance. iPad holder, some electrical outlets, plugs, desk lamp, and a phone. And here's the area with the included water. Looks like a sextant here. Yep, that's it. Moving out to the balcony with the hammock. This is attached to the top by some hooks, and the hammock here will come out and be quite spacious. See, pull it out here, get some photos later, probably on the hammock, and some chairs on the outside. And from the balcony, you can see other cruise ships and the port area into Miami. Looking down here, some lifeboats rowed back into the room. Watch your step here. And the safety drill will be coming. So this is the Virgin Voyages, the Scarlet Lady ship, and Mandi walking in. She has the iPad. There's the iPad with room controls and a bracelet that operates as a room key. And if you turn it around, there should be some sort of inscription or saying on it.
Mine says seize the day.
Seize the day. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.